To get started in Adobe Photoshop CC, drag the halftone or drag your image, click on the image, and then go to adjustment. If you don't have this, then go underneath to window, enable adjustments. Okay, so the first step is, since you can access this, you want to right click under adjustments and make sure you go to image mode and then change this to 32-bit because we were at 8-bit. And once you have adjusted this, you want to make sure you right click your image and then click rasterize. Go to the image, adjustments, and then desaturate. Then now you want to click adjustments and add levels. Then right here, you want to make sure this is 0, 1, 2, 5, and then make sure this stays the same, and then go back to adjustments, add a curves, and then scroll down right here, and then the bottom right, click at the point in the middle hand screen, so it's right here, and then this makes this darker. Go up, and then on the bottom, click right here in the middle, and drag this so it's like so it's created a point. See that? And then go back to adjustments and add brightness and contrast. Make that 80, and then also make this 50. Go back to adjustments. Locate where it says in the image exposure right here. Click that. Make this 0.1 and then negative 0.1. Then we have an image like that. Mess around with the settings. If this is too dark for you, you don't have to offset this. You can even make it more exposed. Okay, and then the next part here is the cool part, is go underneath to filter. Make sure this is still selected. Underneath filter, go to filter gallery and then add green. Then we had it added right here, but if you don't find it underneath texture, it's green next to mesh, and then intensity. You want to mesh how intense this is. Let's keep it, let's say 60, and then contrast, let's say 8, and then 60 reticulation. Now see how it did an add? You actually have to go down here and click down effect, new layer, and then add, make sure it's green, and then screen again. Same setting, 60, 50 reticulation. Go back under, and underneath sketch, right click here, halftone pattern. Okay, and this is the halftone pattern right here. You can adjust this, make it more contrast. See how it adds more of a punch, more like that. I like this. You can make it more contrast. See, it adds more of a punch. I like that. Drag this, and then now simply the contrast is around like 40, and then click OK. And as you can see, it also added a halftone like so, but it's not super noticeable as we zoom in. So if you're not satisfied with this, underneath, click here, gradient map. It's going to change it into something like this. If you don't have this, it's click here, right underneath here. And then go back to filter, filter gallery, and basically just add the same settings that we had before. Should already be here, and then click OK. And now it adds this on, and then go underneath to here. Under layers, we can do overlay. As we can see, we can add a color dodge. In this case, we'll do it underneath overlay. It's really up to you at this point. You can change it however it is you would like. We'll do an overlay and see how it is a little bit more apparent. So this is the before, and this is the after, completely for free in Adobe Photoshop CC.